Each strawberry, a testament to nature's artistry, meticulously nurtured under the sun's gentle embrace.
Our commitment begins with ethical hands, cultivating and harvesting each berry with respect for nature.
Every harvest is meticulously documented, ensuring transparency and peak quality from the very first touch. Each berry nestled gently into breathable crates, ensuring their pristine condition for the journey ahead. From the field, our berries enter a meticulously controlled environment, preserving their freshness for the factory.
The journey culminates as our precious cargo arrives, greeted by the advanced gateway of our processing facility.
Immediate temperature verification ensures every berry maintains peak freshness, a critical step in our quality promise. From truck to conveyor, each crate is gently guided, ensuring seamless transition into our meticulous process. Pure water gently cleanses every surface, removing impurities, ensuring absolute pristine quality for what comes next. Freshly cleansed, the berries ascend, ready for their brief repose before the next crucial stage of transformation. Even in storage, vigilance is key. Samples are meticulously checked, upholding.
Advanced optical sorting ensures every berry meets exact specifications, a symphony of precision and efficiency.
Categorized by perfection, each berry finds its place, destined for specific culinary creations and discerning palates. From individual perfection, they merge into the grand vessel, poised for transformation into exquisite culinary delights. Every parameter meticulously monitored, every adjustment precisely made, ensuring optimal conditions for unparalleled flavor development. Heat awakens their essence, transforming fresh fruit into a rich, aromatic base for our exquisite creations.
Precise measures of natural ingredients are added, enhancing the flavor profile, ensuring perfect balance and depth.
Scientific precision guides every stage. Brix levels are carefully measured, ensuring consistent sweetness and exceptional quality.
A symphony of vats, each precisely orchestrated, transforming the harvest into a consistent, flavorful foundation.
Slowly stirred, the puree achieves its perfect, velvety consistency, a testament to culinary craftsmanship and patience. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring only the finest, most consistent puree proceeds to the next stage. Through a pristine network, the essence of strawberry journeys, untouched, towards its final, exquisite form.
Gradual cooling preserves its vibrant flavor and natural integrity, preparing it for the next delicate stage.
Perfectly cooled, the rich puree rests, its full flavor now locked in, awaiting its final masterful transformation.
Before advancing, a final critical sample confirms absolute purity and peak flavor, guaranteeing our promise of excellence.
Each sample, a crucial data point, meticulously transported for comprehensive analysis within our advanced laboratories.
Within the sterile confines of our lab, every batch undergoes rigorous microbiological scrutiny, ensuring absolute purity.
Beyond taste, scientific precision dictates every quality metric, ensuring unparalleled consistency and safety. Expert palates meticulously discern every nuance, ensuring our strawberry puree achieves the pinnacle of flavor excellence. Clarity and consistency are paramount. Each batch undergoes rigorous visual inspection, guaranteeing impeccable presentation. Through advanced filtration, every impurity is meticulously removed, achieving unparalleled purity and smoothness.
Now pristine, the essence flows into the blending tank, awaiting its final, harmonious composition. Within the blending tank, a gentle, uniform motion ensures every molecule achieves perfect harmony and consistency.
The ultimate test, a final sensory evaluation, where expert palates confirm the perfect blend, the pinnacle of flavor. Through a pristine labyrinth, the perfected puree travels, destined for its elegant vessel, its final presentation. Pristine vessels arrive, each meticulously prepared to embrace the rich, vibrant essence of our strawberry creation.
With unparalleled precision, each nozzle descends, poised to fill every elegant jar with our rich, perfected puree.
A perfect pour, a moment of exquisite precision, as the vibrant puree finds its elegant home.
Each jar, a vibrant jewel, glides seamlessly towards its protective seal, preserving its exquisite contents.
A perfect seal, a promise of freshness, locking in the vibrant flavor and preserving its exquisite quality.
Precision branding, where every label is flawlessly applied, transforming each jar into a statement of luxury.
Beyond taste, an exquisite aesthetic. Each meticulously labeled jar, a testament to our dedication to luxury. The final gaze of perfection. Each jar undergoes meticulous visual inspection, ensuring flawless presentation and quality. Every exquisite jar is digitally documented, ensuring full traceability and seamless integration into our premium inventory. Automated precision orchestrates the final assembly, stacking each perfect jar, ready for its discerning destination.
From our facility, each precious pallet embarks on its journey, handled with utmost care and precision.
Secured within climate-controlled transport, our premium strawberry puree begins its journey to discerning markets worldwide. Across landscapes, our commitment travels, delivering the unparalleled taste of our meticulously crafted strawberry puree. From our fields to your table, a symphony of flavor, meticulously crafted for the most discerning palates.
Elevate every moment. Our exquisite strawberry puree transforms simple pleasures into extraordinary culinary experiences.
The taste of pure delight, a moment of exquisite pleasure, crafted to bring joy to every discerning palate. Discover our exquisite strawberry puree, a testament to unparalleled quality, now gracing the finest shelves. Reinvent healthy living. Our exquisite puree adds a burst of vibrant flavor to your